Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Hey, we talked about the window silks and how beautiful they look on the outside. So here we are in the inside of the unit. This unit has window silks on the outside, and as you can see, you can't even hardly tell if you've got window silks on this unit. So that's what it looks like when you've got your window silks on. You can see out, but it's very difficult to see in. So you got some nice privacy inside, and it does protect your furniture, your flooring, and your cabinetry from those harmful RV or UV rays. So hey, give us a call. Ask us some questions about our window silks. It is 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.